Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram's new followers notifications pop up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off those notifications so your lock screen stays clean and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app preferences and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. Once you're in the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section lets you customize exactly which Instagram alerts you want to receive. Now, scroll through the notification categories until you find New Followers under the Instagram section. Tap on New Followers to access its notification controls. Here's the key step. Tap on Lock Screen. This setting determines what shows up when your phone is locked. You'll see several options. To stop new follower notifications from appearing on your lock screen, simply choose Don't Show Notification. That's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram's new followers notifications on your lock screen. From now on, you'll still get notified about new followers inside the app, but your lock screen will stay clear of those alerts. This quick change can help you stay focused and keep your phone a little more private, especially if you get a lot of Instagram activity. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and select the option to show notifications on your lock screen again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.